Hey YouTube, it's me again. Today I'm going to talk to you about a idea I have for a CWA trilogy. Well, trilogy movie. Yeah, so as you know, I'm going to make a CWA movie called CWA Revenge. Well, I actually had this idea just popped in my head, and I figured I might add two more CWA movies to tie into CWA Revenge. So it's going to be a 3-part CWA trilogy. Yeah, the trilogy is basically called, well, overall the trilogy is called Death Watch. Yeah, nothing real special. Yeah, and so basically, after CWA Revenge, the next episode or movie or whatever you want to call it is called CWA Reprisal. It basically features Count Dooku sending Forces Inquisitors to sabotage Death Watch efforts on Karlak as payback. And then the final part of the trilogy it's called CWA Resurrection. It's basically Death Watch finally gets the guts to attacking Mandalore, and they resurrect the old warrior ways. Yay! So yeah. So it's CWA Revenge, CWA Reprisal, and CWA Resurrection. Ironically, they all start with R. Yeah. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Bye, YouTube.